Hey, what's up guys, this is your boy Lowell and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And actually my full name is Lowell C. Cuevas and I'm here to a second year dentistry student, and I'm here to present my prescription plan or workout plan for my trainee. Okay, so my trainee's name is Laila Erica C. Campos. She's currently a grade 10 student, and she admitted to me that, or she said to me that she's not really physically active. She only do exercises once a week. She's actually leaning towards the academic side when in regards to her school. So I'm just giving her like light or moderate exercises to, to welcome her doing physical activities. Okay, so let me move here because I will be posting here my proposed workout plan. I have my list here. So of course, the first one is doing warm-up exercises. Why am I looking there? I'm gonna look there. So first is of course jumping jacks, then shoulder stretch, and then arm circles. So they're all gonna be 20 seconds each, and they're gonna be 2 sets each. And for the actual exercises, I do have here abdominal crunches, which is 20 repetitions and 3 sets. Leg raises, 20 repetitions and 3 sets. And squats, which is 15 repetitions, 3 sets. Mountain climber, which is 20 repetitions, 4 sets. Russian twist, which is 30 reps or 30 repetitions or 2 sets. And plank, which is 20 seconds and 2 sets. And for the cool down, I prescribed her or proposed to her doing light jogging and walking. Usually she'll do her exercises here in our house, and actually her house rather is just 3 to 5 minutes away from us, so that's her cool down that I gave to her, which is 3 to 5 minutes light jogging or walking, or she can do breathing exercises, like simple breathing exercises. Okay, and she's gonna be doing those exercises from warm up to the actual exercises to the cool down 3 times a week, and we're gonna observe her for 4 weeks. But I'm sure there are gonna be some changes to her body or how her body reacts to physical activities if she continues doing those exercises that I prescribed to her. So this is Lowell C. Cuevas, Laila Erica C. Campos' trainer, and that's it for today. Goodbye.